The question is, does Allah's mercy depends on absolutely His own will, own mercy, or it is related to humans' action?
This is a complicated affair which only Allah can answer. Allah in the Holy Quran says His mercy is overpowering everything, is predominant. But also one should realize that when you decide to give, to grant punishment to someone, then this punishment is very severe. So between these two extremes, everyone's case will be decided. And this is what Allah can do, and I cannot answer this question because I don't know the situation of every person.